Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Happy Sunday to each and every one of us. As you're getting this video, I made this video on Sunday, so that is why I said happy Sunday. All right, I brought another topic to you today that will elevate you, that will grow your YouTube channel. So the topic I brought to you is YouTube fame doesn't pay bills anymore. This is my title. YouTube fame doesn't pay bills anymore. Hold up before you start saying, what is this title all about? You know, these days YouTube fame, if you like be known, there's some big YouTubers that are still struggling financially, but they were well known on YouTube. You understand, they have views very well, but they're still struggling financially. They're struggling in one thing or another. So I came here to tell you that YouTube fame doesn't pay bill. I will tell you what does. So do this instead. YouTube fame doesn't pay the bills anymore. The algorithm change. You know, this 2025, there has been a lot of changes in algorithm. If you ask all the whole OGs that has been on this YouTube, like a year ago, 2 years ago, you can see that so many things changed on YouTube. You understand? So even to the ad revenue change. You understand? Revenue is down. And unless you are Mr. Beats, you know, you all knows Mr. Beats, a content creator, the biggest content creator on YouTube. You understand? Unless you are Mr. Beats, you are not living off views. If you're not Mr. Beast, you can't use views to pay your bills. You understand? Let's all accept the truth. Yes, YouTube, we are getting money. All the whole creators are getting money, you know, those that are monetized. But they cannot say this is what paid their bill. You understand? As in, this is what they live on these days in this 2025. Because if you ask them their revenue, what they are getting last year, if you ask them equivalent to what they are getting this year, you see they are not the same. You understand? So this is what they are telling you here. But there's a better way, and I will show you how. You understand? There's a better way that you can be financially freedom. You understand? I know you'll be asking, if views doesn't pay bills, then what does on social media? Don't worry, I will tell you. Hi guys, you know my name, I'm Patience, and if you are tired of chasing fame with little to show for it, you understand, this video is your wake-up call. Let's talk about what actually works in this 2025. If this is what you're looking for, please stick on and don't touch your dial. I will be right back. Guys, we have all seen that views doesn't pay bills anymore, but we can add something to that views. That is why if you're a content creator, just make use of this thing that I'm about to tell you. I portion it in so many parts. Number one is fame is overrated. You understand? Let me explain to you why fame is overrated. We have all seen it. Creators with millions of views are still struggling. Yes, in this 2025, if you like, have millions of views, financially they are still struggling. What they are getting on YouTube doesn't pay, as in doesn't clear their bill automatically. You understand? Yeah, financially. Why? Because fame doesn't equal freedom. Fame is different. Freedom is different. You can be fame, you can be known everywhere, but you are still, you don't have money to solve your problem. This is, in a layman's term, this is basically what they are telling you. You can be famous, but you are still struggling. That is why when you see all those our big actress and actors, some of them are still struggling, but they are famous. You understand? This is basically what they are telling you. Yeah. So high views doesn't guarantee high income. If you like, have high views, it depends. You understand? You know, in this YouTube, there's a way they categorize this YouTube, these views of a thing. There's some countries that you will get views from. Your payment, your revenue will be high. There's some part of the country that will watch you, your revenue will be low. You understand? This is what they are telling you. So high views doesn't guarantee high income. In fact, many big creators are burnout. You understand? Many big creators, you know, they are big creators because they'll be producing content, bringing out values, but they are underpaid. They are not getting anything from it. They're just getting a peanut. You understand? So they are burnout. They overworked and underpaid. So now, after after all these things now that I explained to you, let me tell you how you will do it. Do this instead. If you're a content creator, upcoming content creator, old creators, listen to this. Do this instead. There is what to focus on now in this 2025. There's some things that I list out that you might want to focus on, and that will help you financially, that will give you that freedom. You understand? If you're struggling financially, number one, build a business, not just a brand. As you're a content creator, use this opportunity to build a business. You can be selling something on your channel because one, people, and you have audience. You have people that are watching you. They believe in you, they trust in you. You upload every day, you interact with them. It's as if you're seeing them, they're seeing you. So you can equally incorporate selling of things to your channel. You understand? You drive traffic through that. You'll be getting small money from it. You understand? Use this content creator as an opportunity in this 2025 to build a business. You understand? You are as well building your brand, and you're building a business as well. Sell digital product. You understand? You sell digital product. Anything online, you can do it. You can sell it to get your own money. You can do affiliated, anything at all. You understand? You can sell course or services. You can render services. You understand? If you are good in scripting, you can advertise yourself that you can script. There's some people that doesn't have chance. They can employ you, or they can give you a job that you script for them. You send it's a digital. Now we are in a digital world, so everything is digitalized. So that is what they are telling you. Use your content to drive leads. As you're a content creator, you are even one step ahead of somebody that is not content creator that wants to build a business, because one, they don't have audience. They will keep on marketing from one place. But now, as you are a content creator, you're on YouTube, the whole world is watching you. You can use it to do one or two things with your content. That is the essence of this coming to social media. You understand? If you're coming, as you are a content creator, you're putting yourself out there for the world to see. So use this opportunity to build a business that will be yielding side income as well with your YouTube revenue. It will help you. So another one is own your audience. Start a newsletter or community. You understand? You can start a community. You understand? Maybe you can create a WhatsApp group. You can vibe with Sonia did. She has Telegram group. You understand? You can create a WhatsApp group. You can create a Telegram group. You can, as in anything that you can create a newsletter or community. If YouTube disappear tomorrow, what will you do? Let me say you are in this. You're a content creator. You don't create anywhere, nowhere to people to message you, no email, nothing, and YouTube disappear, and you have a loyal audience. What will you do? How are you going to get in touch of them? Okay, you will forget about them. This is not the way to build brand. You need something that will bring your audience together. You understand? You need something that will, as in, create that community. You understand? Apart from YouTube, you can use a WhatsApp. You can open a Telegram. You understand? For your audience, for your loyal audience. You understand? If you have to disappear tomorrow, what will you do? Will you still reach your fan? How will you reach them? You understand? Especially when you have built your business and they're the one buying it, patronizing you. You understand? When there is no YouTube, how will you reach them? So that is why they told you create a community aside YouTube. You understand? Use somewhere, use something to bring them together. That is the essence of this thing there. Guys, another one is what I title go deep but not wide. You understand? I will explain. A loyal niche audience is 10 times more valuable than a massive general audience. If you have a loyal audience, they're 10 times more valuable to you, to your channel, than massive audience. Don't worry, I will explain to you what I mean by that. They engage, they convert, they stick around, no matter what. If you like, go off YouTube for like 2 weeks or for like 1 month, that your loyal audience will still, whenever you post a video, they will still come around. You understand? Those people are your community. You need to build something outside YouTube so that you gather everybody together. You understand? As a content, this thing is for a content creator. Yeah, both you aspiring content creator, this is for you. Yeah. So the last one is real talk. Let's just talk. Forget viral, focus on value. You know, every new content creator are waiting for the day their video will go viral. Now they are telling you that there is no need. Forget about viral. What you need to focus on is value. What am I bringing here? Am I really making impact? Are people getting entertained? Are people learning something from my video? Is my video comedy? Are people laughing? Are they relief from their stress whenever they watch my video? Some people watch video. Some people know the reason why they watch video. So ask yourself, instead of looking for the day that you will go viral, why not bring value, as in work on bringing value content to YouTube? Then let me give you as example. A faceless channel selling a $99 ebook makes more than a viral vlogger with no offer. This is not a mock. You understand? They are not mocking anybody. They are just giving you as an example. When a faceless channel, a channel that you are not seeing that person, the person is just, you are talking on the background, you don't know the person, and the person have a book to sell, $99 book to sell on YouTube, and a vlogger that is just showing their life and people are watching, which one is better? Is it not the one that is making money? You understand? This is what they are telling you. You understand? But let me give you another example. A tutorial creator with 2,000 loyal followers can earn more than someone with 100k sub and no strategy. You understand? This is an example again. It's somebody that is teaching or in a tutorial. I use a tutorial because I'm in tutorial niche. You understand? A tutorial creator with 2,000 loyal followers can earn more than someone with 100k sub and no strategy. There's some channel that when you look at it, they have 100k sub but no strategy, no views coming. They have just plenty subscribers there. So this is what they are telling you. So in this 2025, in conclusion, YouTube fame looks good, but financially freedom feels better. Yes, it's good to be known. It's good to become a content creator, as in a big YouTuber. That's, we fondly call it big YouTuber. It's good to become a big YouTuber, but financial freedom feels better. So stop chasing clouds. So guys, what I'm telling you is that start building a creator business that actually pays. So you can use the opportunity, as you're a content creator, you can use this opportunity to build your business. You understand? You have already have your audience. Build your business. Build your business that pays and actually looking for fame. You understand? If this hit home, like the video, comment no more clout chasing. Please, I want to see it on the comment section, and subscribe for real talk on growing your YouTube channel. All right, if you are new here, you're welcome. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please help me to subscribe to my channel and turn on your bell notification. Whenever I upload a video, you'll be the first to be notified. Okay, till I come your way next time, remain blessed. Bye.